Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to kind of piggyback off of what I shared in last night's video. So if you caught that, or you enjoy these strategies and you're working to incorporate them with your trading, this is just another really good example of it. Now, in Thursday's example, we caught the pin, right? It was with the SPX right at that 40-50 strike. So as we were coming into today, I wanted to look at a similar situation. After we get that economic data, market was pretty decent bid to it. And then you can see here, it was about 2 hours before the cash session closed is where I opened another of these put side unbalanced butterflies, this time at the 4100 strike. So when you open this trade $5 wide for a $3 credit, the most you can lose is $200, no matter how you cut it. The most you can make is $800 because you'll take the width of the wings and add that to the credit. So essentially 5 plus 3 is the $8 that we could have made. Now, the great thing about these strategies is that they have risk in only one direction. So again, I put that on about 2 hours before the close. You start to get that little bit of a bid. And had we closed at 4100 in a similar way to how Thursday closed at 40.50, well, that spread would have been worth $8. Instead, you get this little end of day ramp, just bears continuing to be on the run, getting squeezed out. So many other types of strategies that would, otherwise try to work at 4100 will only pay you if you close right there. But that's where I like the versatility of this strategy that says at it is perfect. Anywhere above, you still make good money. And then if the whole thing just falls apart into the close, it's pretty well risk defined with those $200. So it's just another good spot to cover that back to back. Those trades worked on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. And I think is one of the best things that you can do to incorporate into your end of day trades. So of course, as this all closed up now, closing price at 41.09. So every put that you have is worthless. And as long as you initiate those for credits, it's a good way to round out the week. So I hope you've been finding those examples and the logic behind them helpful. If you have any other questions, I will be in the chat room on Monday looking for our next opportunity. So y'all have a great weekend, and I hope to see you then. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.